In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add flashlight to control center on your iPhone. This is crucial for quick and easy access, especially in situations where you need immediate light, such as during emergencies or in dark environments. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down onto the option of Control Center. On this page, you will navigate onto the option of torch. To add the torch to your control center, simply tap onto this plus icon. The touch will get added to the control center successfully. To remove it, you will just click on the delete icon and it will get removed from your control center. This feature enhances safety and convenience by allowing you to turn on the flashlight instantly without unlocking your phone or navigating through apps. That's how easy it is to add flashlight to your control center. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.